Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna review for you Kate Somerville's DeliKate Recovery Serum. But first, let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Egle. I'm a mom of one. I'm in my 30s. I'm an ex-model, a makeup artist. I'm a huge skincare enthusiast, and sometimes on this channel I'll talk about hair as well. Not often though. So if these are your interests, please subscribe, ring the bell, like this video, and follow me on all my social platforms. I will leave the links to them down below. I'm very active on Instagram and I post there daily. So before I start the review, I do want to tell you about my skin type, because when you are looking for a skincare review, knowing the reviewer's skin type is very important. So I have normal to dehydration prone skin, and also I'm really prone to breakouts, like hormonal breakouts and acne, and currently I'm dealing with quite a few breakouts. So that's my skin type. Right, let's start with the review. So I don't know if you guys have heard of Kate Somerville's brand. It's a huge one. It's American based brand. Basically she started with her own facial salons and then created her own products. So these are kind of professional grade products made for mass market, which is great. And I think she was a pioneer of creating products in salon that you can take home, which is wonderful. So this serum is from her DeliKate line, and this line is all about strengthening your skin barrier, damaged skin barrier, and it has serum, moisturizer, and a face wash. As I said, this line was created for when maybe you've overdone facial treatments in salon or at home, like peels, lasers, exfoliating acids, retinol. So this is supposed to calm and soothe your skin and help repair its damaged barrier. First of all, packaging. I absolutely love this shade of purple. I call this lilac. Let me know, guys, what you call this shade. For me, this is lilac, and I absolutely adore this color. This comes in 30 ml. It's a glass bottle, and it has a pipette dispenser. So once you've opened this, this has a shelf life of 12 months. And the serum is milky white. So at the back it says use AM and PM, apply 1 to 2 drops to cleanse skin, follow up with a DeliKate recovery cream. Before I continue, watch till the end and I'll show you what I like to pair this serum with and when I like to use it myself. You can see that this has kind of like a milky white hue and texture. It's very lightweight, glides beautifully and smoothes beautifully over the skin. In a way it feels, and this is going to be a little bit weird, but it feels rich and nourishing, and at the same time lightweight, like it sinks into the skin, and you're getting, as a person that tends to get dry skin, you're getting that relief of hydration, moisturization without anything sitting heavily on your skin, which that's just a perfect texture, at least for me. Oh, my little one. So you can see this skin just looks very taut and plump. I mean, it's on my hands, so, but just kind of shows you how it sinks in and how the skin looks after. Okay, let's talk ingredients. What is actually in here? It's chock full of glycerin, ceramides, peptides, and omega fatty acids. These are ingredients, and actually these are the things that we kind of naturally have in our skin, but we lose it over time with age. So, for example, ceramides and omega fatty acids help to keep skin healthy, keep the bonds of the skin together, and help to keep the elastin in our skin. It has, as I said, peptides, glycerin. I absolutely love glycerin in my skincare products. I feel like it's a very underrated ingredient. Just gives beautiful hydration. I prefer glycerin over hyaluronic acid any time of the day. I will always choose glycerin over hyaluronic acid. So when you have a product full of ceramides, glycerin, peptides, omega fatty acids, your skin just loves it and absorbs it, and it's happy, it's plump, and it also strengthens your skin's natural barrier, which is very important because that's what protects deeper layers of the skin, and that's what keeps hydration and water in your skin. As this was created for sensitized skin, it does not have any perfume, so it has like a natural smell. So it doesn't mean that just because it doesn't have any perfume in it, it won't have any smell. So it has like a very natural, kind of like very faint, it's hard to explain, it's just ingredient smell, and it's not offensive. It's super faint, but a little bit peculiar, I'll have to say. Doesn't linger on the skin, goes away straight away, so I enjoy it. So in the evenings, I choose to pair it with the Curel's Intensive Moisture Care, and this is a perfect moisturizer for people with normal to dehydration or dry skin. So this is also formulated with glycerin ceramides, plus it has squalane, and squalane is also skin identical ingredient, which we also lose over time. So as you can see, the products that I'm choosing to use currently are the products that will strengthen my skin, that will hydrate, moisturize, that will keep the bonds of my skin strong and happy. And currently I'm choosing these ingredients over a retinol or even a vitamin C, because I feel like it's important before you use the retinols to have a strong skin barrier, to have a healthy skin, before you go in and go crazy with retinols. So for me, peptides, omega fatty acids, ceramides and glycerin is more important, and squalane is more important to have in my skincare routine than a retinol. Okay, so would I recommend this product to you? Yes, 100%. Even though it's a little bit expensive, this is in UK £74. So for me, it's expensive. It's an investment, but it's full packed. But it's packed full of great ingredients that will strengthen your skin and plump your skin. And being in my 30s, this is what I'm looking for currently in my skincare. And I have to say, like, I judge my skin, I mentioned this in a previous video, I judge my skincare and how effective it is by my fine lines around my dimples. And I feel like I can see that these fine lines that are permanent, because where the dimples are, the skin moves constantly, the fine lines are more smooth, less visible, and this area is just a little bit more taut and plump. So yes, 100% would recommend this serum. It's definitely an investment. I hope this video was helpful for you to make up your mind if you need this product in your life or not, or what kind of ingredients you should be looking for in your 30s with dehydration prone skin. If it was helpful, please ring the bell, and as I said, don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I am posting there daily. You'll see me, my everyday life, and I post lots of skincare tips through the week. All right guys, bye.